In this video, I will walk you through the simple process of resetting your O-KAM Pro camera app to ensure your security system is running flawlessly. Sometimes your camera might lose connection, or the app could experience a minor glitch, and a quick reset is usually the best solution to get things moving again. First, open the O-KAM Pro app on your smartphone and locate the specific camera you want to reset from your device list. Tap on the settings icon, which looks like a small gear to access the backend options. Before we go any further, I recommend deleting the camera from your account entirely. Scroll to the bottom of the settings page and select the option to delete the device. Once you confirm this action, you will need to perform a physical reset on the hardware itself. Locate the small reset button on your camera body, which is often protected by a weather seal or found near the memory card slot. Press and hold this button for about 10 seconds until you hear a voice prompt or see the indicator lights flashing rapidly. This signal means the factory settings have been restored successfully. Now, return to your mobile app and tap the plus icon to add a new device. Follow the on-screen prompts to scan the QR code and reconnect your camera to your local wireless network. By following these steps cautiously, your O-KAM Pro app will be fully refreshed and ready to provide you with a clear view of your home once again.